Hello my friends, Cheeks here, and we're setting up the Costco picnic table here. I had to have it. We needed something durable, easy to fold. Let's put it together, and if you like it, well, check online. See you in a bit. Online, $249, $179.99 if you find it in the store, but they're probably going fast. Well, there's the tools required. You need a 10 mil Phillips screwdriver. They recommend a drill. Protective eyeglass. Look at Fuzzy.
You're missing a nail.
Hi, Fuzz!
Yeah.
Take this like this.
Yeah. Something's wrong. There we go.
Okay, one. Not bad. And then the other side.
Group project.
Okay, they're all snug. Now what? Are we almost there? Oh, now we have some more screws.
Oh boy.
What are these for? We still got some left.
Nice work. I feel like Eddie from Christmas Vacation.
Oh!
It's the Griswold family picnic table.
I think I'm losing power. I'm white. When's dinner?
Watch out for the... Remember folks, put away your tools before you do stuff. Don't want to step on them. Alright. Whoa! And... Woo! Oh boy!
It's right.
Okay, hang on,
What
lift it.
happened? We have to brace it.
Yeah, we gotta lift it a bit.
Yeah.
There we go. And now lift your side, lift your side. Oh no. Oh! Ah! Smart move.
There you have it, everyone. Thank you for watching the Lifetime Costco table. So check out big fun product reviews from Costco. Live life loud, cheers, and cheeks out.
Cheeks out.
Now we just need some food.
Yeah.
So when I put this together, it looked like it was all good, but these things would not close right. So when you put these on, it's gotta close flat.